back, some more breaking information coming in. Delhi Metro Rail Corporation has announced that 18 metro stations will be closed from 7:30 a.m. today till further instructions are given. These include Lok Kalyan Marg, Rajiv Chowk, Patel Chowk, Supreme Court, Seva Tirth, Janpath, Mandi House, ITO, Central Secretariat, Khan Market, New Delhi, Shivaji Stadium and others. However, interchanged facility will remain available at Rajiv Chowk, Mandi House and Central Secretariat. Arzu, of course, the update that we have today as far as the metro services are concerned is that many key and important metros across central Delhi at large are going to be shut. It's been enforced today at 7:30 a.m. and we don't know till when this is expected to last, but we know that for those metros that need to be interchanged, Rajiv Chowk, Mandi House and Central Secretariat will be open. Walk us through the details, please.
Well, yes, the metro station services have been halted because of the security reason and also to disperse the crowd which is gathering in the central Delhi. And majorly all the metro station which will be closed from 7:30 a.m. today itself from morning till the further instructions are mainly in the central Delhi. However, the interchange facility will be remain available at Rajiv Chowk, Mandi House and the Central Secretariat. But the metro station which will be closed are Lok Kalyan Marg, Rajiv Chowk, Patel Chowk, RK Ashram, Barakhamba, Supreme Court, Seva Tirth, Janpath, Mandi House, Central Secretariat, ITO, Delhi Gate, Indraprasth, Khan Market, Jor Bagh, Shivaji Stadium, as well as the Jhandewalan and New Delhi. And these all the metro stations are present in the central Delhi, and that's why these metro stations are near the Jantar Mantar, and that's why these will be halted. These services, metro station will services will be halted and till the further instructions. But what we are witnessing, this is not the first day such instructions have been given. So from the last 3 to 4 days, these instructions are being given, and what we're getting to know that till the late evening the services get resumed. So what also there is a one important thing I would like to mention that now buses are also not allowed to enter. The DTC buses are also not allowed to enter the CP area. They are taking the another route. So that also one of the things that people are going to face today itself, because from today the buses are also not allowed to enter the Cannot Place area. So the people on ground are facing a lot of problem, because the buses and the metro station are the two mode of transport that the people usually use in national capital, because that are affordable, and also metro helps people reach on time and
Right.
Get them over the traffic problem. So definitely people are facing a lot of problem because of the halt in the services.
Right, absolutely. Arzu, will come back to you momentarily. Keep giving us information and updates from Jantar Mantar. Thank you for joining us this morning. We're going to leave it there and shift our focus to some more breaking news coming in. India has strongly condemned the attack